All of these technologies that we talked about and the combined effect of these technologies like AI and machine learning and what have you, they are a source of competitive differentiation today, especially for companies that embrace them first. But very soon, over the next couple of years or less, they will become a simple right to play, not to compete, just to play and exist in this digital economy. I would argue it's more of the human abilities and capabilities that will always remain a source of differentiation. Things like creativity and imagination, things like emotional intelligence and strategic thinking. How do you deploy these capabilities for your business advantage? And most importantly, things like leadership and ownership that will make you want to own the change and drive the change within your organization. Having that human-centric approach is really what's going to influence the change and make it happen.